Welcome to Green World Phalaborwa branch. We introduce Green World Balsam Pear Tablet, with balsam pear and American ginseng extracts at its core, holding the key to balanced blood sugar. Polypeptide P in balsam pear extract works tirelessly to repair your pancreas, enhancing insulin secretion from islet beta cells. Experience improved insulin sensitivity and relief from diabetic complications. Thanks to Ginsenosides from American ginseng, your body adjusts blood sugar levels more effectively.
I've struggled with high blood sugar for years. But since I started taking Green World Balsam Pear Tablet, my levels have been more stable than ever.
Real people, real results. And for those constant thirst and dry mouth woes, quassin from balsam pear extract comes to the rescue. It's your natural solution for elevated blood sugar or diabetes. Green World Balsam Pear Tablet, your daily step toward balanced blood sugar. Embrace the harmony of nature today. Get yours today by visiting our store or shop online from our website.